Is your car suddenly acting up, but you can't figure out the real problem? Tired of spending time and money at the mechanic every time something goes wrong? The solution is simple: a reliable OBD2 scanner with ECU coding. These scanners don't just stop at reading basic codes. They unlock hidden functions inside your car, provide accurate diagnostics, and keep your vehicle running at a professional level. In short, your garage becomes a mini workshop, saving you time, money, and stress. Number 1. XTOOL D8S OBD2 Scanner. The XTOOL D8S is the latest 2025 model, designed to give both professionals and serious DIYers a strong and reliable tool. It comes with ECU coding, bidirectional controls, and over 42 reset functions, so you can do much more than just read trouble codes. The large 10.1-inch touchscreen is smooth, responsive, and easy to navigate. One standout feature is topology mapping, which visually shows how different parts of your car connect. It supports CNFD and DUIP systems, so it works on older cars as well as new ones. FCA AutoAuth allows you to scan Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler models without extra adapters. It also includes 3 full years of free software updates to ensure the scanner stays current with new vehicles. This makes it an excellent long-term investment for anyone serious about diagnostics. Pros: large, clear touchscreen, 3 years of updates. Cons: not as deep as dealer-level tools. Comment: perfect for pros or serious DIYers who want a reliable, long-lasting tool. Number 2. ThinkDiag 2 All-System Scanner. ThinkDiag 2 is compact, portable, and works directly with your smartphone, connecting via Bluetooth. It supports both iOS and Android devices, making it versatile and convenient. You can run system-wide diagnostics, code ECUs, and perform over 15 reset functions, including oil resets and electronic brake resets. The AutoVIN feature automatically identifies your car and retrieves all necessary details instantly. Though it doesn't have a built-in screen, the app interface is user-friendly and simple to use. It also supports modern CAN-FD protocols, so it is ready for newer vehicles with advanced electronics. Its small size makes it easy to carry and ideal for mobile use or roadside diagnostics. The tool also comes with 1 year of free updates, keeping your scanner ready for new vehicles and features. This combination of portability, functionality, and affordability makes it an excellent choice for DIYers or mechanics on the go. Pros: pocket-sized and portable, coding and testing included. Cons: requires a phone or tablet to operate. Comment: perfect for budget-conscious users who need a capable mobile scanner. Number 3. Launch X431 Pro 3V Plus version 5.0. The Launch X431 Pro 3V Plus is a professional-level OBD2 scanner designed for advanced users and workshops. It features a large 10.1-inch touchscreen with fast Bluetooth connectivity using the DBS Car7 protocol. One of its unique capabilities is topology mapping, which shows all car systems in a visual map, making it easy to locate and fix complex issues. It works with heavy trucks as well as standard vehicles. The scanner provides over 55 service functions, including key programming, injector coding, ABS bleeding, and much more. It also supports online ECU coding, allowing you to update software and calibrate modules directly from the scanner. 2 years of free updates are included, keeping the tool current with vehicle changes. While it is a high-end tool, it delivers unmatched performance and versatility for pro shops or users who require top-tier diagnostic power every day. Pros: works on cars and heavy trucks, 55+ service functions with online coding. Cons: higher cost than simpler scanners. Comment: best choice for professional workshops that need full power and advanced features. Number 4. Topton RD Diag Pro. Topton RD Diag Pro offers a strong mix of features, functionality, and ease of use for both professional mechanics and dedicated DIYers. It includes ECU coding, bidirectional controls, and over 35 reset functions covering major systems like engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags. FCA AutoAuth enables scanning of Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler models without needing extra adapters. The 7-inch touchscreen is bright, responsive, and very user-friendly. 2 years of free updates are included, keeping your tool compatible with new vehicle models and systems. While it may not offer the full set of high-end features found in premium scanners, it covers all the core diagnostic tasks needed for day-to-day car care. It strikes a perfect balance between power, convenience, and usability, making it a smart choice for anyone who wants reliable diagnostics without unnecessary complexity. Pros: strong core functions, 2 years of updates. Cons: fewer advanced features than top-tier scanners. Comment: ideal for DIYers or pros looking for a practical, easy-to-use tool. Number 5. Autel MaxiPRO MP900BT. The Autel MaxiPRO MP900BT is a modern OBD2 scanner designed to replace the popular MS906BT model. It supports DUI-IP and CAN-FD protocols, making it compatible with both older and modern vehicles. It comes with ECU coding, over 40 reset functions, and more than 3,000 bidirectional tests. You can check components like fuel pumps, injectors, and ABS modules, giving you deep diagnostic power. The 8-inch Android 11 touchscreen is smooth, responsive, and easy to navigate. It also features VIN and license plate reading for fast vehicle identification. A valuable addition is the included MV108S inspection camera, allowing you to see into hard-to-reach areas. This scanner provides a feature-packed experience, giving users extensive testing, coding, and reset options in a single tool. It is perfect for those who want a robust, versatile scanner with excellent long-term functionality. Pros: over 3,000 active tests, includes inspection camera. Cons: screen smaller than some other models. Comment: great for users who want a powerful, feature-rich OBD2 tool. That's our top 5 OBD2 scanners for 2025. From the budget-friendly ThinkDiag 2 to the professional launch X431, there's a tool for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.